Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage buttons on your headphones Beats Studio Buds Plus on your iOS device. For start I wanna customize my buttons, so I'll go into settings, click on my device, then click on press and hold, and I turn on volume control to increase and lower the volume. Now, if I press one time, I will play the song, and if I press again, I will pause the song. Also, if I press and hold for a left earbud, I will lower the volume right here, and if I press and hold on a right earbud, I will increase the volume. Here we go. If I'm pressing two times on my right earbud, I will play next song. If I press two times on my left earbud, I will play previous song. Here we go. Now, if someone called to you, you can answer the call by pressing one time on multifunctional button. So you just answer the call, and if you press again, you will reject the call. Here we go. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!